Voice patch up, bye. What be?
Mami mechiao. Ekuya no fu tebrebe ayeso Kasoa nyina. Kasoa for ya feel. Ya feel.
Ebusianfo aha Ghana 7 TV message like, comment, subscribe, turning on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded you'll be notified. Ebusianfo. Yeah, me Hawa Koomson pie TikTok live beso. Live na hosted by Diva our US. Now one thing I say I want to appreciate and commend party penny for me MPP penny for. And say I see I have opposition no. A lot of people are beginning to wake up to the fact say social media is a very important aspect. Upe so winning election about to obiano. As I say, o ma winning call social media no super. Yes, social media na NDC di winning 2024 election. Uko America my monso no Donald Trump eka say or believe say and also GDP say social media one of the reasons why it are all winning election in America. And the fact say young penny for our MPP mu, they are beginning to adopt social media, beginning to show their face, any of the presence of social media no so no. Very important. Na busham for enko asem ni mo. And he say Auntie Hawa Koomson okasa bebre. Okasa about say na oni Kennedy Japan relationship say na the Kennedy Japan ye bibia say obe lose or no Hawa Koomson be lose even internal party primaries cry but ultimately win ye and unfortunately want me win general election no and I was say there on person obey MP biom honorable Hawa Koomson say 12 years our parliament there more than enough it is say there she does not want to be an MP again now opese obey a friend saying women organizer ma MPP party no or the whole nation more national women organizer of MPP but also say no or one campaign to hold essence say ni attention na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia campaign no so or say on making sure say 31st January no Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na yebe electing as flag bearer na oka eno wie no na nkrofo am live no so yema am chance say omo kasa ena obi nipa ba ku bi Africa so e ka say omo kasoafo no omo afi Hawa Koomson pa ewutu senya for I think where east or so osi Kasoa omo afi mame no adentia yese mame no esa ebra na oye MP no asem si wo ha otumi wo se ono ane sika anase opa bibi ekoma nkrofo no market women we nsu obi amepamo omo free bibi omo ye dwuma wo but enne aye kasa no ko Kasoa ho no ma wa we market woman anytime at all bet me obi and so bet me pamo ompa wo nso a na omo di place na ma ndc ni ento mo so ma fe no papa party delegates bia na omo ye police station agent e was a consensus mu so no omo be there dance say no cre 2020 the whole Ghana yɛka constituency kɔfo omo ye party agent omo disika pa ɛyɛ Kasoa honum ɛsan sɛ maame a yɛfrɛ no Hawa Koomson no ɔhwɛ omo si yie enti enne a onye omo MP biomu no anema bebre wo ho a omo regret ɛsan obi so be ka sɛ akwan bebre a lot of roads was sa constituency mu no ebra anti Hawa Koomson nyamba no as MP no na ekwan no na nye kra but within 12 years of Hawa Koomson so obaye MP was sa constituency mu no omaye sa kwan ni nyina ama omo ene nsuo to was those places enya ade a omo su ana se omo dwen hu bio bisa me hu say Ghana for enti ni party me ya we nyina wie na mahwe nyame anim na ko to abatia no mo amu jejereje busanfo. Let's go into the video, let's see what people have to say. I'll see you in the next one.
Voice patch up, bye. What be?
Mami mechiao. Ekuya no fu tebrebe ayeso Kasoa nyina. Kasoa for ya feel. Ya feel.
Akono ba ombenya chance ti mama se sie pa e de na obetumi ya boa yen ifi se MPP mpanimfo no ammo doctor ho ba ya amaye e de na obe amaye mas me question no
let us see me afema me to me ka say MPP mpanimfo ammo doctor ho ban we are Democratic Party. And Obi are eligible to contest. Obi are qualified to contest. But then, well, your first question is then you bet me. Medical yaka say, AYɛka sachre, jumate, and empire port near the better energy. And so that is what we are doing. I'm not only canvassing for voting Kasoa. Me yera me manager me executives say binumu. Say executives no krebia e mu ache mu mienu. Of course, 2023 no kana they were not with us. But they say I too obvious. They said they are able about the lead team. But then we are also working. Yeni na yentumi nkofa akuma ni. There be a balance and democracy no. We are not practicing it. But you making sure say at the end of the day, your candidate now, you're the best bite, is one. And that's what we are going to do. It's here in our vampire, but especially one more diaspora. Diaspora for no call for no mutia because Sanu what children. Now when Tia was and none what children are one. When Tia was and what children are one. Eti wo kasa kire na obeti nti mo so money omunya kasa kire, let them know why they have to vote for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. I know he's going to win. Me interest in the margin and minim say nyame obehye ni when munya eye come 31st January 2026. Nti eni na yenye ya afemu de yenye adwumade yene nkofo nkasa na yefam Bible nta echi.
Okay, yeah, that's it. Mame.
Good evening, and good evening, Honorable. Me den de nya sembisa. I've never worked with Honorable, me nim no baby. But truly in the beginning, I wasn't a big fan. But she won my heart when Tamana previous presidential primaries, parliamentary primaries, the way she stood up to Honorable Ken, the way now Honorable Eka say, Obema ne lusu ni seat, Obema ne lusu primaries, na one more year primaries, no cry say, oh, yes, 2% or something. And then it came out and she won massively. I mean, at the end of the day, she wasn't successful at the primaries, general election, but that doesn't matter. It showed me, say, oh, you're a very strong and formidable woman. And that is someone as a young woman coming into politics, and I look up to that. And I also know Ablekuma North Adi Omode, and honestly, many anje. And but it brought something in me because me say all standing for women organizer. As some about meeting and said, this is exactly what the party needs at this time. Someone that is strong, a resolute individual. She knows exactly what she's doing. And who say that's absolutely right. She knows exactly what she's about, and she's a very, very staunch politician. Intimate may support now honorable, and she has won me over big time. It's here there hamano.
Yo, honorable when your Kadiva team went to your t-shirt, you paid 11 t-shirts.
Oh yeah, hey.
Me a fire campaign.
We were full honorable campaign.
Yeah. Oh yes, I mean, isn't a request for 10 t-shirts for our team, It's your baby Juma Sana, and I say, yet here Naki, as she said, Naki, it's in Pacho, so ba state. Now what kind of team, not just say.
Me Abbas na make say me agent ewo Al Madrasat. Me coordinator ne Obedu. Ena me communication director ne Kasoa Wuntimi. Mami. Abbas na say.
Okay.
Abbas na say me to abawie no me sesa me dey na we da finish.
I think sir, I think sir, manager you man him no until I try to do was
yeah. We Kasoa for ya fi dey see ye. Yen social nyakopo a nka wabrɛ mu machine. Nka store si hye dey me nwanwa kura manda to mo ka kire me se me mfrɛ wa ma mfrɛ wa wutimi ba ye containers na hye wo we hospital we Sa International Hospital I work.
The card one
Columba Junction.
Just
Columba. There be Columba honum no. Sa hospital we International Abrofo Hospital bi wo honum. Meti ese ma me aba ho. Na so ma me papa no ye wuntimi yi ne firim ye de awo no. Na de ya eye me dan se ya ma enye oba na etimi ma me na bema na omosoma no. Me hu oba wa ndis mo betimi ma me. Bema na omosoma no. Ne chese man wo ye pawuma organizer otisi a wo akukuduro. Sabio adwa part firim nyamfa ne kransi ma me oboaye ama ye kopɛ ne krabre ne kromufo eni soye. Me ne metuma ba o nyenya no ma me ntina me transfer me vote me kodwas me ni wi na me man ba me transfer me vote ba Kasoa because mpuntu me ni tua New Town ninka sabi ni nantwie nko na nam New Town ene New Town asase unkita billion wunya bi nto ma me adaru mo yi okrudu gata nimu ama
kudo de there high
ama ene udru Iron City a market foforo wo ho Aliko road we ena me kokwawu a enya afi ne bia mekofa amasaman ye de mefa Aliko kwan na smooth road na me na suma bepie wo adeso na masimu we no meko mame Kasoa for ye be feel na me de migusu di wechi de bia me no ntimi yeko radio so te da ebia one of these days me ba fi aba besra
cut it wrap up
me ba fi aba besra diva de yo mate
Ebusham for me them abandon back konza. Hi Ghana TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will notify. Ebusham for my dick can catch them musem back konza. Ebusham for sika eye de papa. Obi catch us sika nye there. Boni panasu. Odiko kota frame. Ma be defend you. Number 2. Power is sweet. Hey, to me. They're rough. Obi catch us to me there. Boni panasum biom. Be frame. Nyame defend you. Anything. Because when Pls Forgivɛ. Kai. Pls Forgivɛ. It should ring a bell. Onwa. Yeah. Now yeah. Communicate among NDC. Meaning say another one will trim, but me fama nunca. Meaning pa yeko chino ahumati also ko campaign sanya manema. Okay, no problem. But as I said, I'm saw your MP. They saw your MP. I said the constituency was Central Region baby. Aside that, you are appointing as government Minister for Government Communications. Minister for Government Communications. Ebra MPP time now you are Minister of Information. Your mama catch me no say what this office our ministry and our appointing Pls Forgivɛ as Minister for Government Communications. Bushan for. And that program because so Ghana. And I invite Honorable Pls Forgivɛ. See, honorable. Ebusham for honorable buy no. Car or the buy car pound. Ebusham for who say car no. Who car sa? Who say we a car. Who say we a car. Now car honorable Pls Forgivɛ the buy no. And I mean one of them say debut. Make a rewind small. I'm going to check a car number plate. Guess what? Car no 2025 number plate. Share 2025 number plate. Just say a few way ya NDC about buy mono. And I eto car no. It was a woman kai say ye the $78 million be ma sa same ministry Pls Forgivɛ deal communications nkwano $78 million dollars. Any budget for that is it Ghana cedis or dollars? That one confused me, but it's 78 million. It's in Ghana cedis for that ministry. And market treatment, like I say, media me won picture no pe me won video no pe na me di forward day market woman bia onu na analysis mami we de nyame na meka nti market woman no ni analysis na meka and also say car no 2025 registered and I say honorable fellows of Kwache na to car na so was aska then na or trains our mobile by man son na to saka because was kind of maybe by now last year like I said we use the car no and the uba buy movie na ya locate 78 million Ghana cedis ma won kwan office and I okay release saka hey e bu shafo na car no edin no enya common debi me sure say nipa nkrofo amwo saka e wo Ghana omo ndru 5 me na me catch them Debi nyami na me catch them market woman na catch them on no hwehwe no catch them enti nyami na me ka nkrofo amwo saka omo ndru 5 e wo Ghana car ne brand no enye common ye frɛ car no Rox ROX 1 Rox car ne din no na car no a Chinese luxury brand e busan for car ne bo no e start free $50,000 na $50,000 busan mo money o di ba Ghana schema e kobe 600,000 Ghana cedis 6 billion and no duty can no cost no kwano no 6 billion na busan for who car no interior TV wom seat no etimi massage utina seat no musia etimi massage leg extension wo smart touch ewo panoramic window albert me bie ewo soro honom AC ni chili keke driver side no ye di tablet na ye control bi bia wo car nem busan for saka na honorable Felix Ofosu Kwache drive se amenu ye kasa the mu drive we nyina ewie na our poor teachers, our poor nurses, you will claim you don't have money to pay them. Ebusianfo mamu hwe eye adia ndisifo eni ona we Felix Ofosu Kwache di yaya no eye so mu ko hwe car no dem di pictures no betutu so hey Ebusianfo ska wo ho kana ska wo ho money is sweet. Hey, next time people for munya power you know how to use it. I mean, I'll share car now. Another interesting video is up next. Don't go anywhere. Watch it.